How's it going there, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. To any of you that are new to the channel, or welcome back, recurring subscribers and viewers. So, to those that are new, my channel mainly focuses on people who have a love for the horror scene or have a love for just anything creepy. I've loved this stuff since I was 5. The makeup, the prosthetics, all of it. So, the key word to this channel is basically people who are on a budget. I mean, me and you basically, um, or maybe you. Uh, I mean, for Christ's sakes, my headset. I'm using the mic out of the headset because I don't actually have the funds for a professional one. So I feel you guys when it comes to a lot of this stuff. But honestly, you could build things like this for very cheap. This bat, I made this bat for probably 50 bucks at most. The most expensive part being the bat itself. Um, and so what this channel is going to be doing is a lot of trial and error. It's a lot of you guys are going to see what I do firsthand. And it's basically a walk in the park and a walk with me, more so. You're going to see all the errors and the trial and error things that I do. I will be pointing out any errors that I do make, so that way you don't make the same mistakes in your projects if you do decide to make your own, say, bat or your own mask remake, repaint for perhaps. So, yeah, I mean, I do want to do a lot more mask repaints. I do want to do more props like this. Currently, I'm working on my Necronomicon here. And so I want to do props. I do want to do figure dioramas for a lot of the NECA figures. If you guys are familiar with NECA, they do make a lot of amazing art for their figures. And eventually I want to do movie reviews too. That's kind of in the works. I'm not entirely sure if I do want to do that for my channel because I know a lot of other people do that. But maybe you guys want my own honest opinion because I am very honest. I'm not very biased at all. Um, I just, honestly, the kind of guy that I am, I tell it how it is. If I don't like a remake, I'm going to be straight up honest with you. So, if I do decide to do that, I will be doing a review on the next horror movie that is coming out as of this video, which is Pet Cemetery. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask me. I'm very open, a very easy guy to get along with. And yeah, without further ado, guys, peace out.